Everyone talks about AI agents like they're magic. But here's the truth. Most people still don't really get how LLMs actually call tools. If you think the model runs on your laptop or magically executes APIs, you've already fallen for the most common misunderstandings. If you've ever wondered how large language models call APIs, databases, or custom tools through something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short, stick around. I'll try to cover the top 5 misunderstandings, and once you see it clearly, you'll never look at AI agents the same way again. Number 1. Most people think the LLM runs on your laptop. This is a big one. The LLM isn't running on your device. Most of the times it lives in the cloud, often spread across massive GPU clusters. When you use an AI agent, your request goes over the internet to the model. The execution, maybe JSON formatting, tool calls, retries, might happen in your machine or runtime, but the model itself most of the times lives elsewhere. Think of it like texting someone far away. You don't have them in your pocket. It's just, connect through a phone line. Number 2, the LLM magically knows how to use tools. Sounds nice, but wrong. The model doesn't automatically know your database schema or your APIs. It needs instructions, schemas, metadata. MCP servers act like translators. They tell the LLM what the tool can do and how to use it. Without that, the model is just guessing in the dark. Number 3, tools live inside the LLM. A lot of people imagine the tool is part of the model. It is not. Tools are externals, APIs, scripts, or remote services. The LLM just generates structured requests that the runtime sends through the MCP. Number 4, the LLM executes the tool itself, intuitive, but nope. The model only generates text. It doesn't press buttons, run system calls, or execute code. When an agent calls a tool, the LLM produces a structured request. The runtime executes, MCP validates it, and the response comes back as context. The LLM is playing a strategist, not a worker. Number 5, tool calls are always reliable and visible to the LLM. This one trips people up. Prompts can be messy. Wrong field names, missing parameters, or hallucinated functions can happen. MCP servers enforce contracts, validate input, and return errors if needed. And the LLM only sees what the runtime feeds back. Here's the tricky part. If you believe these mix-ups, you're building fragile AI systems. People expect their agents to be Jarvis, but in reality, it's more like a kid with a walkie-talkie. If the signal drops, instructions are unclear, or the runtime fails, everything can break down. And this is why MCP exists. It gives LLMs a consistent, predictable way to call tools. Instead of inventing patchwork solutions, MCP provides a structure for listing, describing tools, calling them, and handling the responses. Developers then can plug in APIs without retraining the model or writing tons of glue code. But it also means that you need to manage expectations. The LLM is a cloud-based text generator, not an all-knowing wizard. Structure, feedback, and safety nets make your agents really reliable. And here's the big takeaway. When an AI agent calls a tool, it's a choreographed dance between the LLM in the cloud, your runtime or client, and the MCP server. The LLM suggests, the runtime executes, MCP validates, and the result comes back. It's not magic, it's well-structured teamwork. To recap, these are the 5 mix-ups. 1, thinking the LLM runs on your laptop, it lives in the cloud. Believing the LLM magically knows how to use tools. Assuming tools live inside the LLM, thinking the LLM executes the tool itself. Expecting tools calls to always work and be fully visible to the LLM. The truth, LLMs generate text, tools are external, execution happens in the runtime, MCP keeps everything structured, and the LLM only sees what you feed back. Once you understand this, your agents can be really powerful and reliable. If you like it, continue watching our videos and see you in the next time.